Test your grammar with Skyrocket English Class. How to use the pronouns whatever, whoever, wherever, however, and whenever.
You've probably heard words like whatever, whenever, and wherever before, but what do they mean? Well, the word ever, when placed together with an interrogative pronoun, means it doesn't matter. There are 6 ever words. These are whatever, it doesn't matter what. For example, whatever film we choose is fine with me. Or in other words, I don't care which film we see. Whenever, it doesn't matter when. For example, call me whenever you want. I am free all day. Or I don't care when you call me. Whoever, it doesn't matter who. For example, whoever is the last to leave, can you please lock the door? Whichever, it doesn't matter which. These are used for fewer than 10 choices. For example, whichever bus we catch, we will still be late. Here there is only a choice of a few buses, and it doesn't matter which bus we catch, we'll still arrive late. Wherever, it doesn't matter where. Leave your bike wherever you want, no one's going to steal it. And however. This type of however does not mean but. It means it doesn't matter how. You understand the difference between the two forms from the context of the conversation. For example, however she cuts her hair, she will still be beautiful. Or, however you get here, please don't be late.
Part 2. Practice in context.
Okay, practice time. For this, let's fill some blanks of these sentences. Number 1. Please sit blank you like. Whichever word. That's right, wherever. There is a prize for blank can answer the question first. Which word? Whoever. Blank he speaks, he says something silly. Whenever. I am going to buy it, blank expensive it is. However. Blank I buy her, it's always the wrong thing. Whatever. I'll go by bus or train, blank is cheaper. Whichever. If you work through the internet, you can live blank you want. Wherever. In this class, you can talk to blank you want. Whoever.
To practice this vocabulary set, why not visit us at skyrocketenglishclass.com, where you will find the flashcard and activity set accompanying this video. Back to the video. Part 3. Test yourself with the quiz. Okay, let's have a final review of ever words. I will say the phrase and you fill it with the correct ever word. Ready? I'll get to the football match. Blank difficult it is. What's a word? Right, however. Number 2. Blank she does, someone always disapproves. What's a word? You've guessed it, whatever. Number 3. We'll see the Will Smith or the Jennifer Lawrence movie at the cinema. Blank starts first. What's a word? Right, whichever for less than 10 choices. Number 4. It's important that blank buys a car has a good credit rating. And the word? Right, whoever. Number 5. Blank we stop for petrol, he buys chocolate. You've guessed it, whenever. And finally, number 6. The children can go blank they want. The gate is locked. That's right, wherever. If you enjoyed this video, test your grammar with our other videos in the series. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.